Okay, I just want to show you another routine I wrote here that's very useful. You can use it on any of the sheets that have a primary index. For example, wineries has a primary index. You can see all these IDs over in the left column. So we can generate these IDs. You know, the flexibility of having an Excel spreadsheet with all your data in it is you can move things around, you know, and you can organize them any way you want. You can start to sort different things and all that. So if you want to make a lot of changes to it, then it's a good idea to regenerate your indexes, you know, so that you're not missing any. They're complete, and you will be able to import those into your database. So there's a little routine. Let's go over to the Vineyards sheet. Okay, here's the Vineyards sheet, and we don't have any IDs in the Vineyards sheet. This is a primary key, ID Vineyards, in the Vineyards table that's going to end up in the database. So if we click View here and we click Macros, okay, now we have the first row selected, the first row of data. So that's where we want number 1. That's where we want the first index. And then we just want to generate indexes all the way down in that column. So we can go down here and select Generate IDs routine. We can look at it real quick, look at the code, and it's nothing too exciting, but it does have a for loop here, and it's going to work its way all the way down, generating new IDs and placing the sequential IDs into that IDs column. It's going to tell us at the end how many IDs it generated for us. Okay, so we'll close down this code and we'll select macros. We'll select our Generate IDs routine and run. Click Run. Generate IDs in column ID Vineyards because it knows that's where our cursor is, and we say yes. Generated 468 IDs for column ID Vineyards, and you can see it put them all in there. Okay? So now we know that we're not missing any IDs, and they are up to date and they're ready to be imported into our database.